Assalamu alaikum. My name is Noman Khalid. Registration number 194802. Department of Agriculture, Section C. Today I am going to demonstrate a practical video on monocot and dicot seed germination. This task is assigned by our respected teacher, Dr. Zahid Hussain Shah. First of all, we will talk about monocot leaves. The monocot leaves differ from dicot leaves in several ways. First, they tend to more long and linear in shape, and their vascular bundles are organized into veins that originate at the base of a leaf and run parallel to one another. In other words, they have a striate venation pattern. Then we talk about the dicot leaves, how different they are from monocot leaves. The vascular structure of dicot leaves from a net-like veins. Dicot leaves are not a linear in a shape as monocot leaves, and their vascular structure from net-like veins instead of parallel ones. This reticulate venation pattern generally has one or two appearances. After that, we will talk about the dicot stem, how they are different from monocot stem. They are similar to dicot roots. Dicot stems have a layer of ground tissues called the cortex beneath the epidermis. The vascular bundles in the stem are arranged around a ring of cambium, which contains cells that divide to expand the girth of the stem. Now we'll talk about the monocot stem. Like monocot roots, monocot stems are protected by an outer layer of dermal tissues called the epidermis. The rest of the stem is made up of ground tissue and vascular tissues. The vascular tissue is arranged into bundles of xylem and phloem that are scattered throughout the ground tissue. And now we see the basic difference of monocot and dicot seed by their seed germination picture. First of all, we will talk about monocot seed. Monocot have only one seed leaf inside the seed coat. It has only thin leaf because the endosperm to feed the new plant is not inside the seed leaf. So we know that the endosperm is not inside the seed to feed the plant. And now we will talk about the dicot seed. The dicot seed have two seed leaves inside the seed coat. They are usually rounded and fat because they contain the endosperm to feed the embryo plant or new plant. So it was a basic difference between the monocot and dicot seeds, that monocot have only one seed leaf and they do not have endosperm inside the seed to feed the new plant. But the dicot seeds, they have only they have two seed leaves and the endosperm is inside the seed to feed the new plant. So this was the basic difference of monocot and dicot seeds.